Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Wasim Zahid. Today I'm going to share with you a process related to Healthy Smiles Ontario. This program was initiated by the Ontario government to facilitate low-income families regarding dental care for their kids up until 17 years of age or lower. So let's see what's the process and how can you apply for this program. So this is program is basically for teeth cleaning, checkups and dental treatment for kids if they are 17 years of age or lower. So this program is for lower income families and who can't afford the cost of this treatment. During the COVID, they are the dental clinics are gradually opening up, and they are taking patients who are covered by this program. So don't stop, just apply for this program, and then you will, if you are eligible, then you will get the dental care card, which is covered by this program. So in this program, kids are covered, and the heads are routine checkups, cleaning, fillings for cavity, x-rays, scaling, tooth extraction, urgent or emergency dental care, including treatment of a child's toothache and tooth pain. So, but cosmetic dentistry, including teeth whitening and braces, are not covered by this program. So, who is automatically covered by this program, or who can be enrolled automatically? So, if the kids are receiving assistance under temporary care assistance or assistance for children with severe disabilities, or they are or their family receive Ontario Works or Ontario Disability Support, so they will be covered by this program automatically. And if Ontario Works recipients living in a First Nations community, the children are not automatically enrolled in Healthy Smiles Ontario. If you receive Ontario Works and live in First Nations community, so you need to apply through email, through mail, to enroll your children. So who is eligible under this program? They are 17 years of age or under. They are the residents of Ontario, and their net household income is less than or equal to the amounts which I'm going to tell you right now. If the family has a one child and the family net income is $24,129 or lower, they are eligible to enroll in this program. And just remember, with each child, the addition of $1,826 will be added as per the calculation and the criteria. But the minimum number is the limit family net income is 24,129 or lower if you have one child. The coverage is for 1 year. It starts the first day of August, from 1st August till the 31st of July. So this is the coverage year, and if your child turns 18 during this year, so his or her eligibility will stop, and they will no longer be eligible under this program. If your child is in the program for emergency or essential care, they are covered for 12 months, and clients receiving emergency or essential care must re-enroll after 12 months. And how to enroll. You can enroll in this program through email, through online means, or through regular mail. Before you start, you need to know that if you are applying through online application, you need to have your child's date of birth, valid Ontario address, a social insurance number or temporary taxation number, TTN or SIN, same number, and you have filed your taxes in the previous years. So after you once you have completed the online form, just take a printout, sign it, and mail the consent form within 30 days to Healthy Smiles Ontario, Oshawa, Ontario. The Healthy Smiles Ontario HSO program contacts applicants by mail or phone, and they don't send invoices to the applicants. If you contact the program through ontario.ca, you will receive a mail from Healthy Smiles at ontario.ca. If you have received a suspicious email and they are claiming that they are from HSO program, don't open attachments or click a link. Just contact the above mentioned email, Healthy Smiles Ontario at Healthy Smiles at ontario.ca, and confirm with them whether the message is authentic or not. If you are forwarding your application through mail, just fill the application form and send it to Healthy Smiles Ontario, Oshawa, Ontario. So this is the overall process where you get dental services for your kids, and the criteria is the kid is 17 years of age or below, you are a resident of Ontario, and your income is less than or equal to the amount which I just shared with you, and then you get the services for your kids. If you think that you are eligible to this service, you must apply for it. So I hope you may have learned something from this out of this video. In the next program, I will share something different service. Till then, bye from my side, and take good care of yourself and your family. Thank you. Thanks for watching.